To connect your store to CatalogPilot, log into your Lightspeed administration panel. From the left menu, navigate to Settings, then select Developers. Click New API Key and enter CatalogPilot as the title so you can easily identify it later. Then click Save. Next, set the permissions as follows. Products, read. Content, read. Settings, read. Settings, write. Settings write permission is required so CatalogPilot can install and update the necessary JavaScript within your storefront. CatalogPilot does not modify customer, order, payment, or other transactional data. Enable the new API key and click Save. Your new API key will now appear at the bottom of the page. Confirm that the creation date matches today's date. Copy the API credentials and paste them into the CatalogPilot setup form to complete the connection. If you need assistance at any point, our support team is ready to help.